Hello, welcome to Tech Guys channel, where we teach everything related to technology, money making techniques, and what have you. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to link your credit card with Binance. How to link your credit card with Binance. So, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. This will help me produce content like this. And there is affiliate links in the description. Please follow that link and sign up, where you receive a bonus, where I too will receive some bonus, some trading bonus. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome back. So we're going to go to Binance.com. This is Binance.com. If you go to Binance.com, let me see, should be this. I have to Binance. Let's go with this. Binance.com. We go to buy crypto. Click on credit card. Click on credit card. Now buy USD. I'll type we want to buy $100 because that's normally what the bank gives for dollars, or let's just say $99. You can change the USDT. Click on USDT. Click on continue. After clicking on USDT, click on continue. These ones I've linked before, but you can link another card, like here. You likely click on, if I don't have cards here before, you see add cards. So since I have cards, what you're going to see is change cards. Now add new card. So you're going to input your card number, the expiry date, and CVV. CVV is the 3-digit number behind your credit card. Once you input the details, you click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to the payment page. Once it takes you to the payment page, you buy what you want to buy. So this, I purchased 99.9 USD from Binance. So this is what I purchased, USDT. I spent 99.9 USD and I purchased 97.53 USDT from Binance. If you want to know the cards that brought me this money, the cards that I use that worked on this Binance, follow my Telegram link and I will tell you the card. There's Telegram link, the Telegram group link there. Follow it and I will tell you the cards that worked. So I think I've done justice to that. This is how to link your credit card with Binance. And remember, if you do it on app, it's not going to work, because I tried it on app, it didn't work. So the best way to get rid of error, this card is not supported in your country, is to use web, preferably laptop. You can also use your phone, but I think laptop should be better. So if you use laptop, you're not going to see that error. So this is how to link your credit card with Binance to eliminate that error of this card is not supported in your country. Thank you. Have a nice day.